game of basketball. Respect to Commissioner Oren, leading with vision bright. Commissioner Ace, keeping the league shining right. Madam Boss Rowena, strength behind the scene. Madam Irish Joy, keeping everything clean. Voice of the game, commentator DJ John, calling every bucket from dusk until dawn. Shout out Regal, Skip, JP in the mix. Kennedy and Knuckle making teamwork click. Merida, Eliza, Vinco standing tall, and referee Pahati, fairness guiding all. Yo, welcome everybody, feel the fire, here to beat. Golden Week inside time, where culture and sports meet from every.
Pangalan?
Pangalan ko po si John Christian Kua.
John Christian Kua from Team Dayo. Taga saan ka dito sa Japan?
Taga Kanagawa, Ken.
Kanagawa, ang layo. Ng ilang oras hanggang dito?
Mga 2 oras siguro.
2 oras, by train.
By train.
Okay, so ikaw ang naging play of the game. Anong ginawa niyo para manalo sa game na to?
Bali yung cooperate ko lang ng tempo at siyempre yung naging thankful din ako sa pagsali po sa kanilang Team Dayo Japan po.
Bali first time mo maglaro sa team nyo?
Japan,
Ayan, Japan. Okay, dito sa SBL, ilang laro ka na?
Pangalawa pa lang.
Pangalawa, okay. So baka may gusto kang i-shout out?
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko sa Pinas at
Saan ka sa Pinas?
sa Negros po.
Negros, Ilonggo. Okay, pwede Ilonggo, shoutout mo.
Shoutout sa pamilya ko sa company guys ako, Force One. Thank you.
Okay, congratulations.
Every culture belongs, different voices. Apparel, style, comfort, and pride. Powering every player with heart on their side. Respect to Commissioner Oren, leading with vision bright. Commissioner H, keeping the league shining right. Madam Boss Rowena, strength behind the scene. Madam Irish Joy, keeping everything clean. Voice of the game, commentator DJ John, calling every bucket from dusk until dawn. Shout out Regal, Skip, JP in the mix.